Hi, Thomas Sorensen here. I'm excited to announce that Melbourne City is the official community partner for Vic Health's Walk to School month. Walk to School encourages primary school children to walk, ride and scoot to and from school throughout October. Walk to School helps students achieve the 60 minutes of physical activity needed each day while learning healthy habits for life. By registering your school for Walk to School, you'll not only join hundreds of Victorian primary schools already signed up, but you'll also receive free classroom calendars, stickers, posters, fact sheets and student certificates. Plus, your school will go into the running to win some great regional prizes. First prize is a full day's football clinic delivered direct to your school by our qualified coaches here at Melbourne City. Second prize is classroom football kits. It's easy to sign up. Simply visit the Walk to School website for all the details. So why not join my family and register your school for Walk to School today?